I am sick of this. You're falling into cheap material because you don't do your research. Damn it. I see your jobs. Screws, caps everywhere, different size posts. What is going on? You want real systems, engineered architectural, you need Aluglobus. Clean cuts, heavy duty, gauges that matter, sizes that matter, gauge that matter, capabilities that matter. You're an architect, you're a designer, so stop doing Mickey Mouse and come and do real systems that matter. From our fences that matter, clean cuts, heavy duty gauges. We never say no. There's no limits in our systems. Our heavy duty capabilities, our heavy duty lattice, our heavy duty louver system, architectural extruded aluminum patio covers, laser cuts with any design, any color. And when we say any color, we mean it, we prove it, and we give you AMA 2604 or 2605 and throw on that. If you need marine grade, we'll do it as well. Do your research, get your sample first, get the gauges, the drawings, how the system is built, and you'll come right back to Aluglobus because we take pride on what we do. We take pride on the systems, and we have our flag, USA made. And we have our flag here to represent the system. We stand and hold by our systems. Designer, architect, and contractor, come and join the best.